Welcome back to M4U, where we bring you the most extreme and groundbreaking vehicles of the future. Today we are heading off the beaten path with the Audi AI Trail concept. This isn't just an SUV. It's a high-tech exploration tool designed to take you where roads don't exist, all while keeping you connected to nature through a revolutionary glass-heavy design. The first thing you notice about the AI Trail is its helicopter-inspired cabin. The glass extends all the way to the floor, giving the driver and passengers an unmatched 360-degree view of their surroundings. With massive 22-inch wheels and specialized 33.5-inch off-road tires, this vehicle stands tall with 13.4 inches of ground clearance, ready to ford through water and climb over rocks with ease. But here is the most M4U feature of all. The AI Trail doesn't have traditional headlights. Instead, it carries 5 rotorless Audi Light Pathfinder drones. These drones can fly ahead of the vehicle, illuminating the path and sending live video feeds back to the driver's cockpit. It's like having your own personal scouts in the sky. Underneath its rugged exterior, the AI Trail is powered by 4 electric motors, one for each wheel, delivering a combined 429 horsepower. Because there are no mechanical differentials, the power is distributed instantly to whichever wheel needs it most. On a full charge, it offers a range of up to 500 kilometers on-road and about 250 kilometers in extreme off-road conditions. Inside the cabin is a lesson in minimalist luxury. You won't find a forest of buttons here. Instead, you use your smartphone as the primary display and control center. The rear seats are designed like hammocks. They can be removed and used as outdoor seating. When you reach your destination, it's a perfect blend of high-tech gear and outdoor living. Safety is handled by Level 4 autonomous systems for paved roads, while sensors and AI assist the driver during intense off-roading to prevent collisions or getting stuck. The Audi AI Trail is a vision of sustainable adventure, proving that the future of exploration is electric, silent, and incredibly smart.